Yo guys, welcome to another video of NI3 tutorials guys. So today we're back with another video guys. As the title says, today we're going to learn how to install mods into BeamNG guys. So there's two ways to install mods in BeamNG. So I'm going to show you guys. But first, let's start by looking for our mod. So we're going to go to our browser and then we're going to type in the mod that we want. So today we're going for the McLaren guys. So we're going for the McLaren mod for BeamNG. That's what we're going for today. Yes. So guys, a good place to find mods, especially for BeamNG, is Modland. It has very nice mods guys, very nice mods. So yeah, there's this P1 and this 765 LT. So I'm going to download both of them. Yes, and then we're going to install these mods right here guys. Gonna install these two mods and then we're going to see how to install these mods guys. So let's download the mods. Okay, first one away, and let's also download the second mod. There's this one. Yes. Okay. Link. Link. Be careful of these redirects guys when you're downloading, you know. Yeah, use those ones away. So the mod is downloading, as you can see. Let's just wait for it to finish and then we get into the first step on how to install mods guys. Okay, it's done. All right, let me just close this. All right, so guys, we're gonna start with the first step on how to install a mod. So the first thing, we're gonna go to where our mods have been downloaded. As you see, we have the McLaren 65 LT and the McLaren P1 release, right? You see the compressed zip files. When it's a RAW file, you extract it, but when it's in a compressed zip, don't extract it guys, please, otherwise the mod won't work. So you're going to cut or you're going to copy the mod, and then after that we're going to take it to the BeamNG folder, which is in app data guys. So for us to find the app data file, we have to come here on view. We're going to go on show, and then you're going to tick this option here, hidden items. You have to tick this option for you to find the what? App data folder. So guys, yeah, remember view and then show and then hidden items. Yeah, so now we're going to go to our users, which is your user. This is my user, bless them. And then we're going to go here, app data. So when you don't tick this, like for example, if this option is off like this, you're not going to see that app data folder because it's a hidden file. So you have to press view, you have to press show, and then you have to press hidden items. You see, you have to press hidden items, make sure it's ticked, and you can see the app data folder. So inside the app data folder, we're going to go to local, and then we're going to go to BeamNG.drive. You see, we have version 0.36 and 0.35. Yes. Sorry guys, yeah, BeamNG.drive 0.36. So inside this one guys, that's where we're going to find our mod folder. Our mod folder is going to be in here guys. So this is the way of installing what? The mods. Oh, sorry guys, okay. They changed the file name. It's no longer BeamNG.drive, it's BeamNG. So you go to app data and then you go to BeamNG. You see here, so from app data you go local and then you go BeamNG guys. Yeah, once you reach BeamNG here, you go BeamNG.drive and you go the current folder and then you go mods. So inside this mods folder, you paste your mods like so. Once these mods are pasted, you can now go to your BeamNG and you can launch it. You can launch your game now because what? The mods have been put in the mod folder. Let me close the browser here in the background. Okay, let's launch the game. Okay, game is launching. Okay, guys. Alright, we're inside the game as you can see. So we're gonna go to free roam, and I'm just going to go to the grid map since it's easy for you guys to see the mods. I'm going to go to the grid map. I'm gonna spawn here. Okay, it's loading now. So let's wait for the grid map to load. Guys, if you're new to the video, please do like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel together, guys. Let's grow the channel together. As you have seen, guys, we're inside what? The grid map. So when you press your escape button, you're going to see here where it's written mods. You see on mods, you're going to see the McLaren and the McLaren. So here, if you click on it like this, you see it's already activated because it's what? It's in the mod folder. When you put the mod in the mod folder, it already activates. You see this ticks and this tick here. When it's not activated, you can come here and for example polish roads, and you tick like this. Once you tick it, the mod becomes active as you see here. So when we go to our vehicles like so, we're going to see the McLaren is going to be there. Let me see if the car is now there, since the mod is what? It's active. McLaren. Okay, the McLaren P1 is here, and the other McLaren, because this one I have, let me search. McLaren. Okay, you see, and this 765 LT is also there, guys. The two cars are there. So as you can see, we can pull out the car, replace current like so. Let's wait. Come on. Fast. Away. There is the car, guys. There is the car. It's loading, but there is the car. Yeah, the McLaren 765 LT. There it is. This is the interior. This is the door. Yeah, these are the buttons. Yes. So yeah, this is how you install the mods with the first way. But the disadvantage of this way, guys, you can't play multiplayer with this way. You can't play multiplayer with this way. That's the bad thing about this way. You can't play multiplayer with this way. So for us to be able to play multiplayer with our friends and to join multiplayer with these mods, guys, how do we install the mod? That's the question, because now we see that the mod is in the game, but whenever I go to BeamNG to launch the game, I won't find the mod. Why is that? Why can't I find what? The mod. So guys, there's a way of doing this thing so that you can install multiplayer. So for those who want to install single player, I would say, yeah, use this one, because this one is what is the best for single player use, guys. If you want to be a single player, just drive your own car by yourself, yeah, this is the best mod for you. This is the best way to install what? Your mods. But if you want to be playing with your friends, those cars, there's a second way. So let's get into the second way. So guys, we're gonna go get those same mods in the app data. I hope you remember. We go users, we're gonna go bless them, we're gonna go app data, and we're gonna go what? Local, and then we're gonna go BeamNG, guys. Then we're gonna go BeamNG.drive, current, and mods, as you can see. So we're going to take these two McLarens here, we're going to cut them, and then we're going to go into the file location of the game. So guys, for us to go into the file location, there's two ways. If you use Steam, what you're gonna do, you're going to go into your program files like so. You're gonna go on Steam, look for Steam, program 86. I think it's program 86. You're going to go into program times 86. You're going to go into Steam. You're going to go into Steam apps. You're going to go into common, and then inside here, you see your BeamNG folder, and that's from there we take it. But as for me, I use Epic Games. So for those who use Epic Games, you're going to go into program files, you're going to go into your Epic Games folder, you're going to go into your BeamNG. So this BeamNG folder is the same folder that you'll also find in the Steam folder if you're using Steam. So we're going to press BeamNG like this, you're going to go into the content folder, you're going to go into the vehicles folder. So even though it says do not install mods here, guys, when you're playing multiplayer, when you install the mod in the vehicle folder, it will make sure that it appears on multiplayer and you are able to play multiplayer with your friends with that car. So once you paste it like this, it becomes part of the vehicle folder, guys. But you must be very careful, guys, because if you download a corrupted mod or something, that a mod which is not okay, it can break the game or it can cause your game not to work well. So be careful, guys, and I would suggest that when you're installing a mod, install it one by one. When you install a mod one by one, it's easy to know which mod it is which has caused your game to be affected, and then you can easily delete the mod, guys. So once you put your folder here in the content, right, in the vehicle folder, inside content, let me go again, BeamNG, content, vehicles. Once you put it inside here, your mod is now proper. You can play multiplayer, you can play single player, whatever you want, guys. The car will be there, the car will be there. But when you use the first step, your car will only be available in single player, but when you open BeamNG, you won't be able to find the vehicle, or it may refuse to activate. So this is the best way of installing a mod, and make sure you don't have any errors or you don't find your cars. Once you put your car in here, it's always in the game, guys. It's always in the game. So let's open the game, guys, and see if the mod is still there in the game. So we're just gonna come again, open our BeamNG like so. Gonna wait for it to load, and then we're gonna check if the car is, those two cars are still in the game. Since we have we've switched them from the mods folder into the vehicle folder, guys. So wait for our BeamNG to load, like once again, and then we're gonna go free roam, and then we're gonna go back to the grid map, guys. So this is the grid map. Back again. Okay. So we're going to press Control E, and then as you can see, the cars are there. They're there. They're working. You can load them up. But now they are as you can see. The car is working properly, and you can now play BeamNG with the car, guys. So guys, for those who want to play multiplayer, I would suggest the second way. For those guys who want to play maybe a single player and they don't really play, with their friends like that, I would say that you guys need to use the first step, guys. So if you don't want to play multiplayer, use the first step. But if you know that you want to play multiplayer, guys, use the second step, please. And be careful of the mods that you install, because if you install the wrong mods, guys, it can break your game. It can break your game, or it can mess up your game files, and it might result in you reinstalling the game again. But as you can see, guys, the mods are working. The two McLarens are visible. As you can see, we can put them out and we can drive them, guys. So if you're new to the video, guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching the video, guys. Danko.